Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your card on DoorDash. First, open your DoorDash app, tap the menu icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap Settings, tap on Payment Methods. Here, you'll see several payment options like Google Pay, PayPal, credit or debit card, Venmo, Cash App, and more. If your card isn't verified yet, you'll need to verify your profile first. Here's how. Tap the account icon in the top right corner. Then tap Manage Account. Here you'll see your first name, last name, country code, and phone number. If your phone number isn't verified, it will show a verify button next to it. Tap Verify next to your phone number. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter that code into the app, then tap Save. And that's it. That's how to verify your card on DoorDash. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.